Hi there, I am going to show in this tutorial how to unlock Tcl T312A from Altice network. This model is also known as 4042S. So as you can see, we have as usual one locked sample and is requesting for the unlock code. We have 9 tries left. In order to unlock this model, I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD box and SPD service tool module from pack 2 of FURIOUSGOLD. So let's start by powering off the phone. Once the phone is off, I'm going in the software and select our model Tcl T312A, and from the operations box I'm going to choose remove SIM block. I'm going to press connect, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to press star and hash buttons and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the software detects the mobile and the work starts. So the phone got unlocked. Now let's check the mobile and see if it's still asking for the unlock code. So as you can see, we have here full signal, Vodafone Romania, and the phone is not asking anymore for the unlock code. So the operation was successful. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.